Hello my dear student of Standard 7. How do everyone? Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Happy New Year to you all. Welcome back to my economics class. Today I will start chapter 4, that means economy of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. Most of the people of this country live in the villages and the main source of their livelihood is agriculture, isn't it? But with urbanization, the significance of industry and commerce is gradually increasing. None of the sectors like agriculture, industry and commerce is less important in a modern country. To develop our country, we need to make our economy strong and dynamic in all respects. Therefore, we have to develop all sectors including agriculture, industry, trade and commerce. And there is no alternative to this in the modern competitive world. At first, what is an economy? An economy consists of the economic system of a country or other area. When people have jobs, they have money. When they have money, they spend money. When they spend money, business make money and can pay their workers. And it's a cycle. It can also work backwards. Okay, so like this there is one flow chart over here. So when we do job, we earn money. When we earn money, we purchase different goods and services, and when we purchase different goods and services, we need to do the jobs. So like this our economic activities are completed in our economy. Now lesson 1. Informal economic activities of towns and villages of Bangladesh. So at first, what is activity? Activity, that is any work or action, is called activity. That means what we do, whatever we do is called activity. Or a thing that a person or group does or has done is called activity. Now look some picture, that is look, these are all example of activity. The children are playing, gardening, when we collect stamp, when our mother helps us, eating, sleeping, then begging and activity of saying. So all these are activity. Okay, they are doing different activity, but they are not earning money, isn't it? So these are called only activity. But what is economic activity? So when any work, service or transaction that has economic value is called economic activity. Or in other words, so when you do any work or activity and earn money, that is called economic activity. Like farming, weaving, teaching, hawking, physician, etc. Okay. Now types of economic activity. There are two types of economic activity. Formal economic activities and informal economic activity. Here is two pictures. Look, what is the difference of these two pictures? So here the children are playing. Okay, this is only activity, but when Shakib plays, the activity of Shakib is called economic activity because he plays and earn money. So that this is economic activity and this is only activity. Now, what is formal economic activities? Activities which have fixed wages place can bring under taxation and regulated by the government easily is called formal economic activities. Example, doctor, teacher, bankers, engineer, etc. Okay, because all they have fixed wages place and they are under the taxation. So these are their activities is called formal economic activity. Now, informal economic activities. Activities which do not have fixed wages, places, difficult to bring under taxation and are not regulated by government is called informal economic activities like farmer, weaver, hawker, fisherman, butcher, cobbler and businessman. So their activities, so when they do any activities, they don't have any fixed wages, places and it is difficult to bring under taxation. So their activities is called informal economic activities. Okay everybody. Now informal economic activities of towns. Now, informal economic activities of rural areas. So, like any other developing country, informal economic activities constitute the main role of the economy of Bangladesh. A rural farmer and his family work in their field from dawn to dusk. They do not get or take wages as they work in their own field, but their work does not reap benefits for themselves or their family only. Instead, it benefits their society and state as well. The larger portion of the country's food demand is made by their production, isn't it? So thus our farmers are contributing to the national economy. Besides farmers, the informal economy activities also include works of blacksmith, potters, cottage industries, shop and other small business enterprises. These activities play a significant role in keeping our economy dynamic. Although in recent times, use of modern technology is noticed in agriculture and other sectors of rural economy, the traditional or informal sector is still playing its main role from the perspective of national economy. This sector is also playing an important role. Now, informal economic activities of towns. The urban population of Bangladesh is constituted with all classes of all people. That means in urban economy, high, middle and low income as well as district ones, and they live in slum area, parks, footpath, railway station, and the high and middle income people usually engage in formal economic activities in rural area like public or private jobs and trade and commerce. The lower income and destitute earn their livelihood through running or working small shops, hawking goods on the street, selling goods in localities, pulling rickshaws or push carts. Porters, technicians, helpers and house workers. These are regarded as informal economic activities. Now, what is the contribution of informal economic activities? Okay, already I have discussed this informal contribution of informal economic activities. You'll read out from your book. So, thank you everyone. Up to this, goodbye.